Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your VW Golf engine. First, safety is paramount. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. It's also crucial to cover sensitive electrical components, such as the alternator, fuse box, and any open air intakes, with plastic bags or aluminum foil. Finally, remove any large, loose debris from the engine bay by hand or with compressed air. Now let's talk about the tools and products you'll need. A good quality, automotive-specific engine degreaser is essential for breaking down grime. You'll also want a selection of brushes, from soft detailing brushes to stiffer ones for tougher spots. Keep several clean microfiber towels and a bucket of fresh water close by. For rinsing, a garden hose set to a low-pressure spray or even a spray bottle works perfectly. Lastly, a non-silicone, water-based engine dressing will help protect and shine plastic and rubber components. With your engine prepped and supplies ready, it's time to clean. Start by applying your chosen engine degreaser generously over the entire engine bay, making sure to avoid the covered electrical parts. Let the degreaser sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to break down the dirt and grease. Then, use your brushes to agitate any stubborn grime, working in small sections. Finally, rinse the engine carefully with a low-pressure water stream, always being mindful to avoid directly spraying those protected electrical components. After rinsing, it's crucial to dry the engine bay thoroughly. Use compressed air or clean microfiber towels to remove as much water as possible. Once dry, carefully remove all the protective coverings from your electrical components. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. For a lasting finish, apply a non-greasy, water-based engine dressing to all plastic and rubber parts. This helps protect them and restores their appearance. Finally, start your engine and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes to help evaporate any remaining moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.